Now guys, you'll be learning how to add social proof in your sales copy. Now whatever you are writing, be it is a sales copy, be it is a landing page, be it is a product page, you need to add a social proof in order to convince your target audience or the customer to take action. Right now, in this part, in this lesson, I'm going to explain you what are those points or what are those things which you can add into your sales copy, which will help you to convince your target audience to take action. Right, so the first social proof is obviously reviews. Reviews are very important. You can add it to your sales copy and definitely it will help you to increase the overall results and conversions. And if you don't know how a review looks like, you might have gone through many websites on the internet and you might have seen these kind of reviews. And even if you go on Amazon.com, let me just open Amazon.com, or let's say whatever the product you open. For example, I open this book. Right, if you scroll a little bit down, here you'll be able to see the reviews. These are the reviews. Right, as you can see, multiple users or multiple customers who bought this product have given a review, right, like what they like in the product and what they don't like in the product. Right, so this is how you can add reviews into your sales copy or in your landing page as well. Then we do have case studies. Case studies is also important, and basically case study can be created in a written format, right, or in a video format. And what you can do is you can upload that video on YouTube and you can embed that YouTube video into your sales copy. And this is how you can add one more social proof in your sales copy. And if you don't know how a case study looks like, you can go on youtube.com and just search case study. Right, you can search on any topic. For example, you want to search Google case study or Microsoft case study. Right, you can just type in the brand name or the organization name and just add case study. You will see multiple case studies, and this is definitely by other YouTubers. So what you can do is you can create your own case study, you can create your own YouTube channel, and you can publish that video over there. Right, and this type of case studies helps your overall conversion rate. Basically it increases your conversion rate or the action rate, whatever the action you want from your customers. Then we do have testimonials. Testimonials is also kind of a review, but in testimonial we go for the text based and as well as video based as well. You can take video based testimonials, and in the same way you can publish it on YouTube and you can embed those YouTube videos into your sales copy or your landing page. And in a testimonial, what you can do is you can ask your few existing customers and ask for a testimonial, and they will give a thorough review like how they like the product or what are the things they don't like in the product. So basically this can be 1 to 2 minute small video which will help you to add one more social proof in your sales copy. Then we do have this trust icon. Guys, you might have seen many e-commerce websites where these trust icons are available, and basically it helps you to increase the trustworthiness of the website where you are selling the product. Right, so this is how the trust icons looks like, and you might have seen many websites where nearby the buy button you will see these kind of trust icons like Norton Secured, PayPal Verified, McAfee Secure, and tons of other trust icons are here. Right, why people add these trust icons into their website? Because these are the organizations that verify a website that this is not a spoof or fake website, right? Which means if we are adding these trust icons in our sales copy or overall landing page, it will help us to increase the trustworthiness of our website only, right? And again, it is also one more social proof. Then social media is also a big one more big social proof. So when people think to buy a product or service, they go on social media and search their profile most of the times. And if you have a good social media profile, and with minimal number of followers, not minimal, good amount of followers, not, you don't need hundreds and thousands of followers. If you have a good amount of followers on your account and you are properly active on your account and posting good content, then definitely it will help you to add one more social proof in your overall sales copy. Basically, you can add different social media icons, social media links on your sales copy, so that when they click on those icons, they can land on your profile directly and they can check out your profile. This is how you add social media as a social proof in your sales copy, right? Then we do have storytelling. Storytelling is also a very good way to add a social proof in your sales copy, and this kind of thing, or this kind of social proof, mostly works in a product category where you are trying to sell a product. For example, you are trying to sell a weight loss product, right? So in that case, what you can do is, in a whole landing page or in a whole sales copy, you can provide a story where a person, he or she was very fed up with the obesity and their excess weight, and they wanted to lose weight, but after getting your product, eventually they started losing weight and got a good physique. So what you can do is, you can create a whole story from obesity to fit person, and you can add that story, you can post that story into your sales copy, and this will also work as a social proof. After that, we do have numbers and data. You might have seen many websites where they mention a data like this in a numbered way, like 10 years in the business, 75,000 plus customers, and 100k plus monthly blog readers. So this is how you can also add numbered social proof in your sales copy, right? Even reviews also work as a numbered social proof, right? For example, if I open Amazon.com, you will see that there are multiple numbered data which they use in order to create a social proof. For example, again, if I open this product, for example, I open this, here you can see they are showing the number of reviews, which helps as a social proof. So these were the social proof you can add into your sales copy, your landing pages, your product pages, in order to increase the trustworthiness and make your customers, make your target audience believe that you are legit and your product or service is legit.